Okay, so we're gonna get Anna and get out here and show you her room. Rise and shine.
It's 11:10. Seriously?
Oh my gosh.
Are you getting up?
You act like I don't get up at 1 every day.
11:20 something. Really?
I'm ready for bed.
Really? Wait, what are your plans today, princess?
Hang out.
Okay.
This morning I woke up and our video went viral and I gained 6 subscribers. Some might call me the new Ryan Murphy. However, about 11 o'clock this morning I got a video from one Griffin.
This is Griffin, the first child, and I am at Purdue right now working for Guys and Dollies, slinging boxes, making money, while my family is at home making themselves crazy. So, yeah.
He sent like a little check-in. I guess he wants to be in the show now. It's interesting that he can spend a week in Florida and then go all the way back to Purdue and stay there and not come home. But the second we get an ounce of fame, he wants in.
Let me give you a little background about Griffin. Griffin is our eldest in the family. He's the only boy, and he's pretty fun to be around because he laughs at everyone's jokes. But the problem is that he never comes home. He never wants to be around us.
He hasn't come home literally all semester, and then once the government is forcing everybody to go home, he still doesn't come.
He still won't.
It's ridiculous.
Hey guys, we're making pancakes this morning. And personally, I feel like I have made every single meal thus far since the quarantine struck. Sometimes I just feel like other people could help out, you know? But it doesn't bother me that much because I like to cook. But here I am, yet again, making yet another meal. And it just catches up to you sometimes, you know? So Kate really does make all of the meals.
We want her to be like the little sister from Love, Simon, who's trying to be a chef. So that's our ultimate vision for her.
Right.
So,
And like in Love, Simon, he comes downstairs and his little sister is just like whipping up meals. And that's what we want for her. So I think that it's really important that she does make our breakfast every morning. Go eat. I just said it was ready. Look! Bon appetit!
Greta didn't clean up her mess from last night, and I think it's a little disrespectful because I've been slaving over this breakfast, and now we don't even have anywhere to sit.
This is your stuff too, Kate. It's not just me. So don't come at me for attention.
Anyway,
Look, Kate, whose is this?
is it mine?
I'm just saying, nobody was down here, so I thought maybe I'm eating alone. And then...
Really, because you yelled at us like 3 times. I feel like you're lying to the camera to seem like the victim, when in reality, it's fine. Like, it's not that big
They've
of a
been
deal.
ready for... I got hooked on Anne's YouTube today.
Interesting how once I have one viral video, that people actually start paying attention to my art.
Okay, let's not talk about that because you
How the hell am I supposed to know when you put those on?
did something
You
a lot
subscribe!
worse. No, Anne, you did something
I
a lot
don't
worse.
even know how to do that. How would I subscribe to something? It's not like a mail.
Look at my dry pancakes over here because you took the last of the fake syrup. That was selfish.
Carla, there's syrup right
Okay,
in front of you.
I do the dishwasher, I swear.
And I
at
actually,
least
you just told us to.
and I cook twice a day. Really? You cook? No. Okay. Can we just have everyone do a day? that you're responsible for it the entire day. So when I walk in, there's
Okay,
no, it doesn't look like it
here's
does
the
nothing.
thing.
Give me the face
No,
art,
if
please.
you're gonna do that, then you better expect that the dishes are gonna be piled high until the end of the day.
Yeah.
And then I'll do
Are you serious? We're talking about who is going to unload and load the dishwasher. The only reason I had children, okay, maybe not the only reason, one of the reasons I had children was so that we could have someone who could load and unload the dishwasher. Why is this an argument?
Get a kitchen like that.
2 days ago,
Did you just shush me?
it was like a volume down.
Oh,
It wasn't
that's
like
fair.
a completely
That's
quiet.
fair. All right.
I think if you cook, you don't have to clean.
I mean,
No.
actually, no, that's a good rule.
I've been trying to do that rule, literally, for 23 years.
Okay,
Oh,
but
I'm so sorry that when I was 4 years old, I didn't unload the dishwasher after you cooked. I'm so sorry.
You can make it up. Make it up. Now.
Oh my goodness.
So let's try this. We'll start with the oldest. Anne?
Where's Griffin?
Anne's not the
Where's
oldest.
Griffin?
Yeah, where's Griffin? He can send in a
You
video
told
for
him-
the show, but he can't do the dishwasher.
Right? You told him not to come home for another week. But
Do you want his virus?
I would
No,
rather
no, no, no.
I would rather have his virus
Ugh.
loading the dishwasher than being wet and getting out of all of this.
If I were these children, I would be saying things like, I was born to unload this dishwasher. Are you kidding me?
So here's what we'll do. We'll start with you. Unload and load. So you just clean the kitchen. No more of this. One does one does the other.
Why not? We all like
I
that.
love loading and Greta.
I love
unloading.
unloading. I love unloading.
Actually, lately I've been turning more into a load girl.
Who turned you?
I don't know what that means. What does that mean? All right. New rules. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Once you do either unload or load, she's so dramatic. You come and you put a mark under your name so we can keep track.
Okay, that makes
Okay?
sense.
We got it? Thanks. We're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna get all those bags to donate to the Lighthouse Mission. So we're all gonna carry them up, put them in the van, and then take the dog for a walk. Let's go.
Feel
I can see the backwash in that.
It's so hard being you. Would you shut up and stop?
You got that much empty storage?
Griffin is everywhere. You've got to be kidding me.
Y'all seen Bridge to Terabithia?
He's sad.
I'm scared.
And that's been hanging there for 20 years. I don't think you're going to break it.
Mom decided to make us go on the long trail, and it's one of the muddiest pieces of surface I've ever walked on.
And she's an outdoor adventurer.
Right.
And no one's going to help her? Wow, what a world we live in. I'm a dream
I'm gonna go.
I'm a dream
Okay,
so
we
we're
ju-
back and tell them what happened.
My brother punched me in the face for no particular reason at all.
But it's such good TV.
Yeah, I have to go get a tissue.
Whoa! Okay, girl!
Bum, 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 and all that jazz.
Okay, put your drink down. Put Just let go. You don't need to be drinking it in your clip. Okay.
And that's my prop.
No.
It's my prop.
Okay.
It's my prop.
Okay, fine.
So